10 Health Benefits of Green Tea. Green tea is a healthiest beverage. It contains many antioxidants. Green tea improved brain function, used for fat loss. Protecting against cancer, lowering the risk of heart disease. 1. Contains healthy bioactive compounds. Green tea is more than just a hydrating beverage. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, which are natural compounds that have health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and helping to fight cancer. Protecting cells and molecules from damage. These free radicals play a role in aging and many types of diseases. Green tea also has small amounts of minerals that can benefit health. 2. Improve brain function. Green tea helps to boost brain function. The key active ingredient is caffeine, which is a known stimulant. It doesn't contain as much as coffee, but enough to produce a response without causing the jittery effects associated with taking in too much caffeine. Caffeine affects the brain by blocking an inhibitory neurotransmitter called adenosine. This way, it increases the firing of neurons and the concentration of neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. Research has consistently shown that caffeine can improve various aspects of brain function, including mood, vigilance, reaction time, and memory. It also contains amino acid L-theanine, which can cross the blood-brain barrier. L-theanine increases the activity of the inhibitory neurotransmitter GABA, which has anti-anxiety effects. It also increases dopamine and the production of alpha waves in the brain. It improves brain function. Green tea having more stable energy and being much more productive when compared with coffee. 3. Increases fat burning. Green tea can increase fat burning and boost metabolic rate. Green tea contains caffeine and a type of flavonoid called catechin, which is an antioxidant. Catechin can help to break down excess fat, while both catechin and caffeine can increase the amount of energy the body uses. 2 separate review studies reported that caffeine may increase physical performance by approximately 11–12%. 4. Reduce bad breath. The catechins in green tea also have benefits for oral health. Test tube studies suggest that catechins can suppress the growth of bacteria, potentially lowering the risk of infections. Streptococcus mutans is a common bacterium in the mouth. Studies indicate that the catechins in green tea can inhibit the growth of oral bacteria in the lab. 5. Help prevent type 2 diabetes. The rates of type 2 diabetes are increasing in recent decades. Type 2 diabetes involves having elevated blood sugar levels, which may be caused by insulin resistance or an inability to produce insulin. Studies show that green tea may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. 6. Help prevent cardiovascular disease. Green tea increases the antioxidant capacity of the blood, which protects the LDL particles from oxidation, which is one part of the pathway toward heart disease. Lowering your risk of cardiovascular disease may be as easy as drinking green tea. Studies suggest this light, aromatic tea may lower LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, which may be responsible for the tea's association with reduced risk of death from heart disease and stroke. 7. Fights skin cancer. Drinking and applying green tea fights skin cancer by promoting DNA repair. Green tea contains a powerful antioxidant called EGCG that fights DNA damage from UV rays to prevent skin cancer. That means it's also a potent anti-aging ingredient that combats signs of aging when ingested or applied topically. 8. Help you live longer. Some compounds in green tea may help protect against cancer and heart disease. It makes sense that it could help you live longer. You may want to consider green tea a regular part of your life. 9. Green tea and cancer prevention. According to the National Cancer Institute, the polyphenols in tea have been shown to decrease tumor growth. In countries where green tea consumption is high, cancer rates tend to be lower, but it is impossible to know for sure whether it is the green tea that prevents cancer in these particular populations or other lifestyle factors. Positive impacts of green tea on the following types of cancer: breast, bladder, ovarian, colorectal bowel, esophageal throat, lung, prostate, skin, stomach. 10. Green tea and Alzheimer's. The researchers used a far higher dose of the active green tea chemical than would ever be found in the human body. More research is needed to see whether green tea is protective at a much lower dose, and to understand the mechanism involved. Other studies have found that green tea might be helpful in preventing dental cavities, stress, chronic fatigue, treating skin conditions, and improving arthritis by reducing inflammation.